PhoneLink lets you connect your Android or iPhone to your Windows PC, but if you never use it, it may run in the background and show unnecessary notifications. In this video, I'll show you how to disable PhoneLink in Windows 11. This prevents Windows from connecting to your phone for cross-device features. Microsoft now manages many of these features from the mobile device's settings. If you want to keep the app installed but stop syncing, simply disable all of these features. You can turn them back on anytime. That's it. PhoneLink is now disabled or disconnected from your Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out my other Windows 11 tutorials.